Day 16. This is getting too easy for me. I don't even know how to challenge myself anymore.
And by too easy, I mean that my heart rate is still at 175 and I'm not practically dying the entire workout. I told you, I'm a masochist.
We'll continue to do the max 5 breaths, minus 5 on the bottom, since I did have a decently high heart rate yesterday, and we'll just allow myself to cruise for a little bit. I don't always have to go to the extreme. I can sit in a good zone that's moderately easy for me, and that's okay. I just like to make everything so much harder than it needs to be. So we're keeping it simple today. Let's get started. I increased my speed, and that definitely pumped up the workout. And I didn't go up in weight, but I can. I like the speed that I was doing today. It pushed me past that conversational level so that I was really pushing myself. I think I did an extra set in there. That's why it was a little bit longer, but 17 minutes on the dot and 179 max heart rate. Incredible. That was a great workout. I'm going to finish off with some back work today. All right, fam. I'll see you at the next workout.
I made an 8-week guide if you're serious about increasing your VO2 max. Check the link in my bio.